Welcome to That's Greek to Me. Our word for today is parakletos. Dear friends, Ereneumin, peace be with you. This is Father Joel Camaya, Salesian of Don Bosco, and welcome to That's Greek to Me. Our word for today is parakletos. The Greek word parakletos or parakletos appears in the Gospel of John, particularly in John chapter 14, verse 16, also verse 26, and in chapter 15, verse 26, and chapter 16, still St. John, verse 7. This is where Jesus refers to the Holy Spirit as the advocate, the comforter, or helper. Sa Tagalog, ginagamit natin yung mula sa Espanyol, yung abogado. And the term means one who is called alongside to assist, defend, or intercede. Hindi ba? Abogado. It is used to describe the Holy Spirit. The Holy Spirit who guides believers in truth and strengthens them in their faith. From parakletos, we get the English words paraclete. Naririnig natin palagi yan, paraclete. It's a direct borrowing from the Greek. And other related concepts like advocate, which is the meaning of parakletos, and comforter. When we have theological discussions, these are the words that are used. Now, just as the Holy Spirit was sent to guide the disciples, we are also called to be instruments of encouragement and support to others. We can ask ourselves, how can you be a paraclete in someone's life today? And that's our word for today. May these words accompany us as we grow in faith. Meron ba mga salita sa Biblia na mas gusto nyo maintindihan at malaman kung ano yung ibig sabihin nun? Pwede kayong mag-comment, magtanong kayo at sasagutin natin yan. And of course, I invite you to like, to share, and to subscribe.